Join me as I try to turn a small amount of cash into some serious profit using these Forex trading tips for beginners. If you're new to the world of Forex trading, you might be wondering if it's really possible to make money as a beginner. The answer is absolutely. With the right strategies and mindset, you can start generating profits and building wealth through Forex trading. In this video, we're going to explore some of the most effective techniques for beginner Forex traders, so stick with me and let's dive in. One of the biggest challenges that beginner Forex traders face is a lack of knowledge. When you're new to the game, it can be overwhelming to learn about all the different currencies, market analysis, and trading strategies. It's easy to feel like you're in way over your head. Another challenge is the high volatility of the Forex market. Prices can fluctuate rapidly, leaving you with losses if you're not careful. Emotional decision-making is also a major obstacle for many beginner traders. When you're new, it's natural to get caught up in the excitement of trading and make impulsive decisions based on emotions rather than logic. Fear, greed, and anxiety can all lead to costly mistakes. Many beginner traders also struggle with managing their risk. They might take on too much leverage or fail to set stop losses, leading to catastrophic losses. Additionally, they might not have a clear understanding of their own trading goals and risk tolerance, which can lead to inconsistent and unsuccessful trading. Finally, some beginners simply lack the discipline and patience required to stick to a trading plan and avoid impulsive decisions. Diving into the world of Forex trading can be intimidating, but with the right strategies, you can overcome these challenges and start making money. One of the most important things you can do as a beginner is to focus on risk management. This means setting clear limits on your trades, using stop losses to limit your losses, and never risking more than you can afford to lose. Technical analysis is also crucial for beginner traders. By studying charts and patterns, you can identify trends and make more informed trading decisions. Another key strategy for beginners is to develop a trading plan. This plan should outline your goals, risk tolerance, and the strategies you'll use to achieve your objectives. Having a clear plan in place will help you stay focused and avoid impulsive decisions based on emotions. It'll also give you a sense of direction and help you stay motivated as you work towards your goals. Finally, it's essential to stay consistent and patient, even when things aren't going your way. Forex trading is a marathon, not a sprint, and it takes time to develop the skills and knowledge you need to succeed. One of the most impactful tips I can give you as a beginner Forex trader is to focus on the process, not the profits. Instead of obsessing over making a certain amount of money, focus on developing good trading habits, learning from your mistakes, and continuously improving your skills. When you focus on the process, the profits will follow naturally. This mindset shift can be incredibly powerful, and it's something that will serve you well throughout your trading journey. Another important thing to keep in mind is that Forex trading is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and patience to develop your skills and achieve success. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Instead, focus on the progress you're making and the lessons you're learning along the way. By staying committed to your goals and continuously improving your skills, you can overcome the challenges of Forex trading and achieve long-term success. In conclusion, Forex trading is a powerful way for beginners to make money, but it requires the right strategies and mindset. By focusing on risk management, technical analysis, and developing a trading plan, you can overcome the common challenges that beginners face. Remember to stay patient, disciplined, and committed to your goals, and always focus on the process, not the profits. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these Forex trading tips for beginners helpful. If you've had any experiences with Forex trading, please share them with us in the comments below. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing for more trading tutorials and strategies. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll be diving into more advanced secret Forex trading techniques.